Okay. Let's go. Wacky days. Wacky days are here again. Whoa, 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 whoa. How's everybody doing? We made it to Thursday. Scrooge. A great day. A great day. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm glad, because Tuesday you were like, no. Hydrate? Lucky for me, I have a whole bottle of water. TwitchCon? No. If it were anywhere except Las Vegas, I would consider it. But Las Vegas makes me want to die. I've tried so hard to like Las Vegas. I tried so hard. Zaniba has family there. I try to make things like there's some nice parts, like nature parts. I'm sure. I know Chrissy's going. What is Leah going? I don't. Maybe next year, or do they always do it in Vegas? I think I would have. Did Paris already happen? I would have preferred that. Oh, see that'll be fun. Hopefully. Let's just do a potato con. Yeah. It'll be here. We can go to my pool. You can stay on my couch. My cat will walk on you. We'll go out for hash browns. What else would happen at Potato Con? I mean, just potatoes, right? There's a lot of places that have good cheese fries around here. Cheese fries, hash browns. Yeah. I can make us all breakfast. I don't know. I like to cook. We could have a potato eating contest. Yeah, seems good. The best part of North Carolina is a toss up between the beach and the mountains. So we'd have to do a fight between the beach and the mountains. I personally prefer the beach. It's great. There's nobody trying to get you to gamble, but maybe you like gambling. Speaking of potatoes, see if this is working. I'm not a gambler. Where is it? Where is it? This is so annoying. Hold on. I'm going back over here a second. Crushes you? I just I guess craps. Craps? Craps. Is it the one with the spinning thing? This is less satisfying than I thought it would be. Craps is the best bet. If you're trying to win anything. Alright, studio mode. Is that roulette? Which one is craps? Maybe roulette. You could make me gamble this. Gamble this? You want me Google this? It's a Google gamble. What is craps? Craps. What is craps? Oh, craps is not the circle thing. Craps is the one where it's like on a table. There's like a 30 seconds. Hold on. Yes, you roll the dice. There's a map of like options on a table. And you place your chips on the one you want to choose and display capture. This one. Yes. And then you gotta make it small. And then whoever wins. I was listening to a podcast about North Korea. There we are. I was listening to a podcast about North Korea. And how they hack some stuff. They actually train hackers. And it's one of like the best jobs you can get in North Korea is to be a hacker. And they did this huge that's one of the okay, hold on, step back. So one of the ways that North Korea makes money, because they're terrible at like having an economy because they just don't do anything, is they steal money by hacking. And so they tried to steal like a shit ton of money from Bangladesh, I want to say. And so one of the ways they did it was money laundering through a casino. And I think it was in this podcast where the podcaster said that it's either roulette or craps, and I don't remember, so that's not helpful to Maddie or anyone else. That is not potato of the week. Goodness. All right, let's see here. Beep, 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 beep. So we had some submissions. First of all, I did want to show everyone this website. I tried to share this in Earstream and it got nothing. 'Cause clearly it wasn't the correct time. So this is pictures of sandwiches. Like key, important, valuable sandwiches from our lives. I believe this is like an Italian sub. We got like a sausage, egg, and cheese bagel, ice cream sandwich. Love it. I don't actually know what this one is. I'm open to thoughts about that one. I'm like, is this a cheesesteak? But it also seems like it could be. Well, yes, wonderful. Also looks like an Italian. This is a Reuben. I love a Reuben. A banh mi. Yeah, I'm gonna name all of them as far as I can tell. This is a gyro. Some more mushroom. Which what? This guy? There's like too much glare on it, so I can't really tell if it's vegetable. This is like an entire Polish sausage, like split in half. Okay, we got some sort of like katsu, like a fried cutlet. Oh, I'm so glad I just ate lunch because I would be dying. Um, it looks like prosciutto. This one, like prosciutto, arugula, mozzarella, toasted. Oh my gosh, this is such a good website. All right, so this is sort of like, what is the like the roast beef sandwich with the gravy? There's a name for it. Is a cheese stuffed mushroom like a certain type of sandwich? All right, we got tuna melt. I'm assuming it's like tuna salad and more. This one is also a little bit too shiny for me to tell, but it kind of looks like grape leaves. What do you think? Italian beef. Yes. Ham? Just like a regular ham sandwich. I think. All right, so it's got coleslaw. Is this like another? It's like another type of Reuben. Like maybe a Rachel. What makes a Reuben a Rachel? All right, beef and cheese, cheesy beef and cheese. We got I think this is a McDonald's breakfast sandwich. This isn't like another hoagie kind of type grinder. Hoagies and grinders. Did I lose everyone? You did not want me to go through all of these individually. So we got like a Polish sausage, but I don't know what's on top of it. This also looks Italian. I'm thinking like eggplant, but it also looks dipped. So I don't know what this one is. This looks vegetarian to me. I can't identify any meats in there. But like, what is that? What is that? Is that meat? This right there? Because it kind of looks like a beet. All right, meatball sub, one of my favorites. Lox, right? This is Lox Bagel. Where's Lox Bagels later? Turkey Club. Hey Scrooge, I'm glad you finally got a sandwich. Quarter pound, no, Big Mac. Big Mac. Pastrami? Is pastrami? I'm just going by the rye bread. It just looks like a turkey and cheese. Just like a turkey and cheese sandwich. This kind of looks like doner kebab, like a shaved meat pita situation. Like is this a hot dog with chili on it? Like a chili cheese dog? Yeah. All right. What is in here? I don't know. Whew. We're almost done. This is very important. Mushroom Swiss burger. Fully immersed. Me in this or this dog? Both and. This looks like a bagel, like a egg and cheese bagel. This is just ham, right? This is all ham. I think this is a little bit too explicit. Wait, this is just like beef and onion. This is also Italian beef. It's a lot of sandwiches have beef. It's just like a lemon slice on this sandwich. It's an open faced salmon sandwich. All right, we're getting down here. I don't know what that is, but I want to eat it. This looks like it has tofu on it. Bao. Looks like pork bao. Maybe. Fried chicken sandwich. Maybe like a hot honey fried chicken. And then a fried chicken, or a fried, maybe a po' boy. It's like fried fish. Maybe it's fried catfish. Anyway, keep this for when you are hungry. Actually, I don't know if it's good for if you are hungry. I think it's also bad for if you're hungry. I need to open this cat. Maddie, is this your cat? Also, what is the cat's name? Well, I mean, Charlie. Is Charlie a potato? Some cats like fully inhabit potato, I feel like. Cisfer. Now, this is not the cat that took over your bedroom. That's a different cat, right? This cat is having a conversation with you fully. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Daisy and Charlie. Are they friends? I've always wanted cats that are friends. No. Oh no. Cats that sleep together. That heals all wounds. Oh man. I would die. I am actually dead now. Anytime you want to share a picture of them cuddled up together, I will also you don't have to share it on today, but you can anytime. Anytime that's happening, you're full permission to share it with me. I don't even know where my stream is. I lost it. Alright, so this is Charlie. Charlie's a potato. Sandwiches are always here for us. You know the best thing about this website? What what do they want you to email them about? I mean, probably if it breaks, right? But if it broke, it wouldn't be working. Just do they have like a little like all like a white box for the sandwich and they put the sandwich in there and then they spin their camera around to get the 360-degree camera spin? Or do they have a camera that's fixed and they have a sandwich rotator? Like that's what they need to know. That's all I need to know. Were there any other potatoes? I'm trying to think. I think there should be more ice cream sandwiches. Has anybody ever gone through this whole like oh shoot, what is it called? Is it a sandwich? The cube roll. Oh, this is a deep conversation. Is anyone familiar with this conversation? So like ravioli are kind of Pop Tart. Then I don't know how my how I ended up on alignment chart Twitch recently. Um Shit, buddy. So then then they get into the conversation. Hold on, the cube rule. It's just me. The cube rule of food. Toast. If two sides are covered with starch, it's a sandwich. If three sides are covered, it's a taco. Four sides, sushi. If it is like inside of a thing, it's soup or salad. And then if it's covered all the way around, it's a calzone. Hi, Loki. Hot dog is taco. A corn dog is a sushi? If it's... that's a good question. I mean, I guess a corn dog could be sushi, but it could also be a calzone because it could be entirely encased. Yeah. I think this is a thing that, like, people who are bored make up to annoy other people. Like, we have more words. Just use the word. Like, we have Pop Tart. Just call it Pop Tart, you know? Like, cereal isn't soup, it's cereal. Loki, I got a little distracted. Everything's fine. Oh my god. Hold on one moment. These are the cats sleeping together. Woo! Yes. Sorry. That's my dream. It doesn't have to be cats. It could be two fuzzy pets, but cats, especially. So this is an extremely long website that someone thought they needed to make. Someone who's studied Asian culture and been to Japan, if you have a sushi rule, this is maki, okay? Just call it the thing that it is. So pizza is toast. Yeah. Non-folded quesadilla, that's just a stupid distinction. Yes, Scrooge, you're right. You're right. Pop-Tart and not Pop-Tart. Did you say it's cool? I think this URL. Whoa. What was I looking at? This URL is pretty easy to find. It'll take you to a dark place, is what I think. Taco on its side. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Quiche? Did it say quiche? Am I tripping? I thought it was soup. Yes, corn dog. Corn dog is calzone. But I remember this being on. This is so stupid. It's just like, I mean, it's just. It's I need to go away. I need to leave. It's almost over, but I have to go. So ramen is nachos. Yeah, go away. Muffins are toast. Great. Everyone is left. Humans are ravioli. Great. Great. Yes. Great. Yeah, like I said, it was just a bunch of Twitter threads that got out of control. Oh, and a Reddit thread. So if you hate this, you should just ban this person. But they clearly put a lot of. I want to believe that rice are muffins, small muffins that are also toast. So I feel good about that ruling for myself. The cats. Oh my god, cats. All right. I think we've capered far enough. So today I have most of the way through the tic-tac-toe tutorial. I can show you where I'm at with it. And I'll probably finish that because, yeah. Is this a shark? So I guess a shark. We're gonna finish that. I wanna figure out what's going on with the CSS though, because when you create a React app with Vite, it has two CSS files, but it's not supposed to anymore. Okay. It's very eager, is what it is. It's eager. And it doesn't need to look like anything. That's not really the point of the project. I just want to know why. I want to know why. Why? Yag! Oh! Yag, I'm sorry I missed your stream yesterday. I was reading a book. I started reading this book called Yellowface. Ooh, Yellowface. It's a... Come on, camera. It's a novel. It is... You hate the narrator the whole time. You hate the narrator the whole time. It's very fast read. Basically the premise is this author is like in the room when her friend, who is also an author, white author, in the room when her friend dies. Her friend is Asian. She realizes that the person who died had just finished a book, but nobody knew it. So she steals it and publishes it herself, and then like it blows up, and then hijinks. Whew. It's spicy. You're like, oh yeah, this is a bad baby. This writer, not the writer of the book, but the writer in the book is kind of a little bit. All right, so then that's the React project, and then we're working on the thing we did last Thursday, which was is also in React, but it's the if you named your baby after a startup, but you wanted a random name generator to do it for you, then this is that. So we gathered all of the startup names last week. We got over 100, and now we're starting to build out the components and the logic for it so that people can push a button. They could name a cat or dog or plant after it too. Leah said she was going to name her plant babies after it with it. All right. All right. Burping. Right. Cool. Let's make sure we got everything in the right place. Yep. Yeah. No SpaceX, but things like well, Thoof. There's some really weird names out there. Do you think if I have the woo Lapella, Qualia, Miston, Vive, Binti, Noya, Bantu, Gambly, Elo, Masabi, Corvus, Verkada, Rasa, Junie. I like this one. It's called Lollapuff. This is my new baby. Shoobs. Joss. Screen. I can't even say it. My husband reacted. We put some what do you call them? Technology names in there too, like Haskell. Don't Haskell me. I'm surprised nobody's ever said that. People have definitely said that. Like Joomla, Ubuntu. Why is it so hot? Hold on. I like the over ears more, but they don't. The Bluetooth is not as good for them. Yeah, we got some wild ones in there. Kubernetes and chill. Kids these days, you know, they never know what they're gonna be named. Danger! Welcome. How are you doing? How's your day? We're just Kubernetes and chilling. We're not. We're not doing that at all. We're just trying to finish this. I was. Oh, I should run it. It might be broken right now, though. Yeah, it's broken right now. So figure out where I was. I turn this off. So I can put them side by side. Kubernetes and dates. I hope you do. Even if you don't do Kubernetes at all. You would get some interesting folks in there, I think. Yeah. The wrong crowd, so to speak. Yeah, a little bit of a lilt there. So to speak. I am knowing that we can bully you into things. I'm sort of thinking you should do it. Do it. Do it. Do it now. Not right now. Deidre, I hope your day gets better. I gotta figure out where I left off, so give me a minute. It's just a thing. It's totally fine. Crystal's going out of town the third week of September. And I've never done anything like a 8 or 12 hour stream, and I'm like, well, if I don't have a job by then, I should definitely spend a whole day streaming. But on the other hand, I probably shouldn't do that. Okay, so I was doing something. It's not showing me. Okay, let me see. This. No, that's not that. This. Probably the problem is that it's in Firefox. It's unhandled. We know you've been clicking, but we're not going to tell you. If it feels good, do it. Okay. So I have the state. Where is the state? The state. I don't need these. Where's my state? For that. Set X is next. Set current move. Current squares, history dot length -1. Oh, kitty. Wait, is this a website now? pointed it to there. That's perfect. No, I have the handle play set up. Okay. Handle play. Oh my god, just move it over a little bit, Rachel. Okay, this. I did that. Yep. I did that. I'm inside game. I did this in board already. Board. On play. Next squares. Oh my god. Okay. Inside handle play. Yeah, is next. History. And next squares creates a new array. Roxy potato rain time. I think I have this correct. What is missing? Just need to save it. I must have done something else after this. Handle click. These are opposite. Why would they need to be opposite? I don't even like playing tic-tac-toe. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And that is inside of that function. Okay, great. Now we're gonna calculate the winner. We let the status. That shouldn't be breaking. This didn't change at all. So they have the game function above this part. I don't feel like that should make a difference, but I can move it. Mm-hmm. So, okay. Game function is next. They have one more thing than I do. I have one more thing than they do. Oh, is that overwriting something? put that in there, right? Okay. We take this out. Ellen! Yeah, I don't understand why that would matter either, but I also feel like I kind of need the state there because it's not at the top. So where are they calculating the current move if it's not here? Did I miss it? Current scores, history that links. Handle play. Okay, here. This is the history part I'm missing. This seems important. Oh no, don't oh no, Rachel, don't change it in there. That's important. That's not your code. Yeah, I guess this a new kitty? Or just your kitty is wants treats. Why are you so loud? So I took out the history. 61 and 57 are the same. 58 and 62 are the same. What? Are we calling Alan ID now so that... Okay. Now it's working. Alright, the going backwards isn't working yet, but the frontwards works. I love when people share about their pets. Well, Alan fooled us all because a capital I and a lowercase l look the same, so we definitely rated Feld of Alan, who is a different person. I agree that he has a pretty pretty good ego. Not an annoying ego, but a good one. Seems to be working just fine. Kitty. My cat's just like chilling on the couch. Alan yesterday was like, I have updated the Twitch documentation. That's what I did today. It's like, do you work for Twitch? He's like, no. I just thought they needed to be updated. I was like, great. Good to know. Good to know. Alan is ubiquitous. Why are we mapping? Alright. So recording the history, and now we already displayed a list of past moves. Why is it telling me something? Did I already do this too? Right? Oh, it's not hooked up. See what I mean about the CSS is broken. The tutorial CSS looks like this, and then my CSS looks like it's just different. It's a different choice. It's fine. Alright, so what we're trying to do next is, like, if we want to go back to move number 1 and make different choices, it should take us back. I feel like I already listened to this song. I don't know. Alright. Just gonna try to focus for a couple seconds. See, you already have an array of history moves in state. History moves in state. There we go. Got it. You'll use map to transform your history of moves into React elements representing buttons. Oh, I've got buttons. I already did this, right? This is this part. Y'all, I was ahead of myself. I'm a accelerated learner. It's like I'm back in 3rd grade. Each child in an array or an iterator should have a unique key prop. Yes, keys. That's what the keys were, the moves. We set the key here. Oh, look, I even actually remember things that I did yesterday. Even when people were talking about sushi and music in a sushi place. Okay, so this is already working. Sorry, I forgot that I did this. I'm not sorry. I'm just sorry to myself because I am repeating things I did already. Alright. So li key user equals user.id. So we need to put the ID of this key. I feel like this is just telling me things. So yeah, in the game function, you can add the keys as li key equals move, and if you reload the rendered game, set current move is not defined. Don't know if I'm getting the key error. It is. Sorry, no one's talking to me. Okay. It's not telling me a error though. So on Thursday, today is Thursday. On Wednesday. Tuesday. It's really been one of those weeks where it's like Monday, I had an interview. The interviewer was like, I like Mondays because I'm one day closer to Friday. And then I had to get up super early yesterday because my interviewer was in Germany. And I am not a morning person. So all week, air. Hi. All week I thought it's like a different day. And the fact that I don't know when I did anything. But I think whoever wrote this is just tired. And they're getting to the end and they're like, you know what? Just whatever. You just do it. You do whatever. And I'm like, I'm not equipped to do whatever. I don't really care about this part, but I would like it to work more than whatever. But I do want to know, it is a Thursday, correct? It is a Thursday. We are Thursdaying to some extent. Cannot be trusted. Confirmed. All right. Thursdays. We have discussed so far which game is most appropriate to play in a casino. We looked at Maddie's Cats. We also looked at sandwiches. I should put that one in the chat. Hold on a second. Sandwiches. If you're hungry, look at this and you'll feel worse. All right, that was a posture check, but you got to stretch. So, twofer. Okay. I just don't even like X's and O's. I just want it to do the thing. Oh my god, I took that out, but I had already put it in. That's why that was there. I was so much further ahead than I thought that I was. That's annoying. Hydrate. Does it sound like I'm climbing a mountain? We're just interested in being read. This is all for the job search bingo. This is all for it. We're doing it for the job search bingo. Alright, we're still in game. We're in next move. That's already built. I'm such a slacker on semicolons. I don't care enough. Alright, handle play. So, if you go back in time and make a new move from that point, you only want to keep the history up to that point. Instead of us adding next squares after the spread syntax in history, you'll add it after all items in history slice. That makes sense. Alright, so we need to edit this, set history to next. Alright, so it's set. We create next history. Ah! Oh, you're just gonna be like that. Okay. Let's see. Ira, how are you today? I didn't ask yet. History dot slice. I got a late start, so I'm all combobulated. I'm not even discombobulated. I'm just combobulated. I think combobulated by itself still means like kind of not together. Time to eat some caffeine and see through time. I had more than my usual amount of caffeinated beverages yesterday because I just hello, hi. I did not see through time, but I did have a thought of maybe I should do this more often because I was pretty freaking productive. Lingeth. Oh. Ryan. How's Ryan today? I gave everybody access to the crying potato if you need it. Okay. So we're still no, and go back up to game. Right, so it was the final move. But now we're gonna pass in current move because when we click on it, I guess that's what allows us to go back in history. See. Ah! Oh, and you can go forward. That's interesting. Power lurk! You're welcome, Danger. Look at those rolling potatoes. I still gotta fix them to go the other way because they they the first layer just shows up on this. It can't. We'll just pretend it's like a thick cut fry. Just the one thick cut fry. What is a power lurk? Alright, this is good. That means we're almost done. Don't have to look at this stupid React site anymore. Possible. X's next is strictly true when current move is even, and X's next is strictly false when current move is odd. Uh, uh, always try to avoid redundant state. So power lurk means you might have to nap later. Okay. All right. I think you're very good at naps. I almost never nap. Oh. Oh, we're in it now. I think it's a little bit. It's just too distracting. So I don't need the X's next state declaration or the calls next to set X's next. All right, this is there. It says it's false. They took it out? Did they take it out? Function, handle play. Yes. Okay, so take it out here. Oh, they moved. They moved. Bow, bow, bow. Hold on. Hold on. I made to make a note to myself about that. Okay. Alright, so under game, we're gonna add. Take this out. Yes. Move that up there. Interesting. That is exactly what it says. Does that make sense? X is next, not set X is next. What? Whoa. And then this one needs to go because we already declared it up there. Sorry, this is a mumble to myself stream right now. Mumble, 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 mumble. So you could have left it the way it was, but I guess this is now best practices. Okay. Good. Very good. Very good. Did I break it? Well, that works. Okay. 5 minutes mumble code. Mumbly, mumbly, mumbly. We did complete it. Now I have to untangle this CSS nonsense. I don't have to. I kind of want to. Okay. All right. Close that. All right. So cool. Let me see if I can close this. I think it's fixed in my other projects, so I'm just gonna try to look at that. Not that one. So let's see. The now how it works is there's the app.csx, and that is what goes. Like, why can't I just import the app.css here? What do you mean they can't? What? What are they? Wait, did you just add those? How are you? How are you doing that? Oh, I like the. I like the. It was like when you set up. Hold on, let me think. All right. Let me look at another repo. I know I've done this without 100, two different CSS. I need just a plain React app. Plain React app. Start a React app. I don't know if they all built that way. Create React app does it. Beat does it. Maybe I'm just whining. It's probably because you're a partner. That's so cute. Eddie with sunglasses is really funny. Scrooge is back. Scrooge, we got it to work. You can play tic-tac-toe. And then you can go back to the beginning or a different move. Does everybody see that? And then what does it look like if you give the can't even see my face. Come on, Eddie. Come on. We're terrible at shout outs here. We're not very good at it. Um it's funnier. It's a little funnier with the just the way I don't know what this cat is called. One brain cell. It's a little funnier with one brain cell because of the cock, like the cock of the head. It's like, but that's kind of perfect. How does the move storage work? Oh well, let me tell you. I'm happy to explain it to you. Let's see if I can. Excuse me. Okay. So, we have a current move and a set current move with state. And then we also have a history and a set history, and that is in an array using state. And so then we have spread the history with a slice. So then it's like you have a array that is holding like the there's like the null right from the original array, and then any moves as they're being added, they're adding into that array that's spreaded. I'm probably not explaining this very well. And then you have the set history and the next history, and then as you add moves to it, they're added to that array. So the program always has all of those in state. And then we have the jump to function, which allows you to jump to the next move, which is, where do we define that? Moves here, right? I don't even need squares anymore. Move. Yes. So we set moves as a key in a list. So on the click, you can jump to any move in the list. And that's stored in the history state, which is in that array. Did that help? That's a little bit meandery. Next move. Set current move. Next move. This is the description. Yeah. Okay. So you click it. That helped. Great. So wherever you are in your game, you can go back to previous move, but you can also go forward because it's stored in the array. If you win, you can't advance further because that completes the status, the win status, which is up here. That's handled up there. You can go back, and if you choose a different result, like here, if I hadn't chose to win, I could continue to play. So that's kind of interesting. It's nice. It's nice. Okay. All right. We love React. So I just want to try to get it not smushed on the side over here. I'm okay with the red. The red is fine. I'm not really sure what the index. This is the thing that I'm not sure about. So I took the CSS from the tutorial and I dropped it in the app.css. But it's only affecting some of the elements. Which kind of makes sense because only some of the elements are defined. The index.css, like I had to change the color of the text. So the index.css is affecting things that are not, that don't have IDs, I'm guessing. So maybe if I put like a body margin. This is a weird mix. I make weird mixes for my friend Jess, and sometimes I listen back on them, and they're weird. They're weird. Alright, so some margin. What happens if you do? The root. The ID of root. No, don't take away display. That's too many. That's too many. Why did I give it a display flex, but then there's no... padding? It's so small. Cool people. When you get body flex. Does body have flex in the code? Yeah. Uh, game. Why does it change that? Margin. Huh. I just don't understand why it's like way over on the side. But flex direction. The body is the container and the game should be. Isn't that right? CSS, your nonsense. Display flex. And then the children have different. But the flex container should have those items. But can body have that? This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to add this to this as well. Oh, that didn't change this at all. It made it taller. It's margin and padding. Margin left. I don't know, like 10 pixels. Pix. Alright, we'll go 100. Look, it's not on the side. That was my whole goal. I'm gonna take it off of there though. It was better down there. Yeah. The whole thing moves up. That's not awkward at all. Thank you. So, what is this? Like I said, weird. It's weird songs. All right, so if we want to make the squares a little bigger, who's in charge of squares? Border, font size, line weight, height, line height, height and width. Isn't it kind of interesting that they are so specific? I don't know. I don't think that makes me a good influence. I'm nervous about it. I think no one should feel like they have to be nice. A. Are we hating on like software people? I don't want people to keep their emotions on the inside. I think that's dangerous. Don't keep your emotions inside. It will hurt you in the long run. You don't want to you just have to express things that you're feeling in an appropriate location. Obviously, in front of other people on the internet on a live stream. So the healthy expression of emotion is something we don't value enough in our collective cultures. When you bottle shit up, it will hurt you, and then eventually it will hurt other people and your relationships. So I'm glad you're feeling more free. Exactly, Ryan. Exactly. Otherwise, everything will break. Um, you know what I like about CSS now? Oh, look. You can just you can just you can just scroll for a color. Feeling free. Is it gonna update? Purple's good. I feel like we should add a title. Let's see if I can do that. Do I need to make a separate component to add a title, or can I just put it? Like, do I need to make a header component? I think I do. It's header.js, header.jsx. Yeah. It's a very small app. Some might call it wee. Nice. And let's see. We also want to import the CSX into the header. Do we have to import React? It's almost like you don't have to. What? Who followed? Where's my Streamlabs? Oh, too many things open. Dion who freaker. Welcome. Hua. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. Oh, does everything have to be a function? No, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I made something from scratch here. Sparkle app. I mean, it's basically just a return, right? You just have to make a return. I think it's like this. Letters. Header. And then inside you return, it's like HTML, right? But you have to put everything in, inside of a empty, what's it? Like this. Tic-tac-toe. You know, it really doesn't read. And then we have to export it, right? Export. The bass drop on the song is amazing. All right, then we go to the all right. Well, it's a question mark. Uh-oh. Oh, she's gone. I need to put it somewhere else. Ah, import. The funny thing about React is, like, if you don't do it right, it's like, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. You won't even get half of it. You won't get like a quarter of it. It's like, no. I don't think this is how I'm supposed to do this. Don't I put the HTML in there? Maybe you don't do to me. Did I do it with a capital H? Oh. That's that's really explicit. Whoa. Whoa. Alan, I feel like that's kind of like a something that would happen in um, Guardians of the Galaxy. No, Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. I feel like the whole application is here. Why is it doing that? The root ID is let's check that out. Root ID. Is that it? I just always wanted a babblefish. I thought babblefish was the most useful. I mean, a towel, super useful, but babblefish. Alright, these errors. What are these errors from? Oh, okay. We have sorted that. Screw it. Oh, that's a bit longer. 831. Hold on, don't tell me. That's over 2 years. That's like 2 years and some change. This is starting to look like something. Should probably take the bitches out. Okay. It still feels aggressive, but if someone from a job looked at it, I just, why did they put it in the middle? This is me looking at someone else's code being like, why did you do this that way? The body margin. The top, the margin from the top though, this is the thing I'm confused about. All right. Oh, 333. Um, did anybody ever play Scrabble? When Scrabble with friends, what was it called? Words of Friends? Words of Friends? I think that's what I should call it. Tic-tac-toe. Hold on. I think I'm having just like a dark day. I just with no friends. I can't use do I have to escape these? They're not protected, are they? No, I don't have to escape them. What do you have? You don't have to escape them. Why so blue? It's for only children only. Everything is going perfectly. Okay. This is great. Project complete. I will I don't even think I have it. I don't even think I have it in GitHub. I think I just did it yesterday. Yeah, so if you want a fast, quick, and easy way to be annoyed, do that. This is the React class that Zaniba's doing. Is with Josh Cameau. Get out of here. But we always do applause, so this guy doing this class. They also have a CSS course, but the joy of React is like so much. But I would say that Crystal knows more about React than anyone else I've met from 100 devs who isn't using it in work. You just said you were a simp for React like 2 days ago. How are those not equal to each other? But I imagine the CSS course is good. They go on sale sometimes, so keep an eye out for that because they are expensive. Or get your job to pay for it. Okay, tic-tac-toe with no friends. Well, I guess that's probably a pretty good understanding of simp. So this is just to review. Last week Thursday we went through every startup name in everywhere. We didn't, but we got some good startup names, and so the goal is to make a. So heavy it's Thursday. Yeah, I have. Where did it go? Turn this thing back on. It's the only way I can see where things are. Oh. I have a it's the same. So I have another interview tomorrow afternoon. So I can't like relax into my Friday afternoon, but should be a good one. Should be a good one. So this is the like beginning of the name generator. Thank you, Alan. Thank you so much. So the idea is to build out this form. We're actually going to split it into different components and make this more of a not a library but a dictionary, so that we don't have to. We'll have this name list. This is just where I was storing it. But we'll have this name array as like the second thing in the form. We'll have, everyone can choose or randomize the honorific, so like the first name. And then if you want to same idea for the EB Force. Thank you for the follow. Wallow, 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 wallow. Thank you for being here. Or is it Ebb? Ebb Force. Oh, I really like this song. Right? Okay, so then we'll have below this the space for you to choose how many randomized names you want. Then we'll have another drop down where you can choose like the third, the fourth, the fifth, or Esquire. I've never in my life wanted to be a lawyer. I've never wanted to be anything remotely related to an Esquire, but I just love the word Esquire. So a lot of my plant names will be Esquire, and then because it's React, it'll immediately give you names here. And then one of our like stretch goals is to have a way that if you like some of the randomized names, you can hold one and then randomize the other ones again, and then there'll be like a box. So if you want to give your pet fidget toy a name with your last name, I hope everybody is like understanding what I'm talking about here. I already lost my names. Where's my names? I got too many names. Right. So let's say it generates a name, I don't know, Braised Bella Beat Kupel. And you're like, okay, Dr. Braised Bella Beat Kupel the third. Dr. Braised Bella Beat Kupel the third. This is so stupid. Dr. Braised Bella Beat Kupel the third. Oh, is Null breaking things again? Null broke my internet a couple weeks ago. But if you wanted Dr. Just doing this in chat. Braise Bella Beat Kupel. No, instead of Kupel, if you wanted it to be your own last name. And then you didn't like Bella Beat Esquire. Then you could hold Braise, and then you could run the generator again, and then the next time you get Dr. Braise, kind buddy. Ship. What are suffixes? Like, what do people put behind their name besides Esquire? I mean, I love Esquire, but all I know of is like numbers. Junior, senior, third, fourth, Esquire, PhD. Let's like put doctor and PhD. Like that would be kind of silly. Um. So what I'm supposed to do is we have a button. What I'm supposed to do is break the form out into separate components, which I can totally do. Um, oh, DDS, Doctor of Dental Science Surgery. What is an optometrist? Doctor of Doctor of Optometry. No, that's Doctor of Osteopathy. It's OD. I got there. You've all moved on. Um. But I think my highest and best use right now is to just add more honorifics. Especially since I already completed a project. So, Mr. Ma'am. No, Madam. The illustrious. The right honorable. I like that one. That's good. Illustrious. What are they called, judges? Honorable. Crystal. Oh, and I gotta change the value too. Don't do this to me. I think I might write it out. I'm not a big fan of normal things. Crystal's gonna be like, what did you do? Alright. The French ones? I think you're answering my question. Is there like a gender neutral way to say Her Majesty, Their Majesty? We just say Their Majesty, the Majesty, the Majesty, Monsieur. Oh, gotcha. Well, is that Madame? Madam, Madame. This list could be quite long. Jesus Christ. Duke. I like Duke and Duchess. Duchess. I don't know why anyone would choose Duchess, but it is pretty random. I bet there's a Let's see how our React is doing. I do agree with you, Yag. There's seriously a lack. Where did it go? Oh, it's over here. This is gonna be so lovely. Okay. I feel like there's a gender neutral for did I say their majesty, their highness? There. This is what we got from white people. Let's see. Ruler, sovereign, neutral. I think Baron. Baron is a good one. How do we feel about Tumblr, I see you. How do we feel about Queen? I feel ways about it. Who is doing this? It's definitely it's definitely coming in through Tumblr. Wait, this is interesting. Citizen. Murdam. Oh my god, no. Mist Dam. This probably small for y'all. G-Bone. Bone. Thank you for the follow. Ah! I think this is a slippery slope of what the fuck. Oh, leash though. Would you go? It's just not. It's just not a natural sound for my mouth to make. I think we could go too deep on this. I think leash. But I don't know that leash is something you find in the front of a name, right? You're usually like, my liege. Sovereign. Sovereign. What it? Godek? Godex? I know people who would probably say Godex, but Godek is different. Okay. 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 I think I said slope, but the what the fuck is not to gender neutral terms. It's just of what what you know, people do things and then they're okay with them, and I don't need to do everything other people do. What is the top? Okay, I was like, what is the top reason for this list? That gives me some context. Where am I? That gives me a lot of context. All right. Now I know why I'm here. I just wanted to know why I'm here. And then, do you think Your Highness is more natural or Their Highness? Their Highness Godot Rippling the Third. Quing. Their Highness Godot. Exactly. Godot is in there. It's gonna happen. Alright, let me just double check I didn't want to add any more. My partner's gonna be like, what did you do? What did you do to my nice application? Alright. I think that should be fine. Why do I have Twitch open? The Right Honorable, the Illustrious. This sounds like a magician. I'm fine with it though. The only one I put a period after is Doctor. I'm gonna adjust that. Should I write out Doctor? Doctor. I didn't take it off. Alright, cool. Cool. Mr. Madame. We'll give the French one. No French. No French in the chat. That's like a universal rule. Potentate. This is but one source of information. This is what we have, right? Yes. Okay. What do we call the president? Nothing. Yeah, we don't have any fancy shit for the president. One thing that we've managed to maintain. Okay, cool. I guess I can remove that. Oh, that was Twitch. Over there, Twitch. Their Highness Godot. I guess Godot doesn't need a last name unless you want to give him one. Cool. All right, we have one working part. Does Madame have two M's? So we should be able to oh, their Royal Highness. I sure get it. My bad. Even better. We got Mr. I think Sir, Madam. I don't know if I want it to be comprehensive. I feel like it's funnier if it's just kind of random. All right. Okay. I think I'm ready to go. Eat some snacks. You know, Ramon, I think that is a good idea. I'm being a little bit selective right now. It is a good idea. Yeah. It's time for snacks. Time for snacks. Tomato pasta sauce. Sauce pasta. Tomato sauce pasta. Both and. Alright. Let me close this stuff. Don't keep things running. Just next time you'll come and they'll still be running and you'll be like, gotta go find where that thing is running and kill it so I can run another thing. Not like that's ever happened to me before. Okay. Alright. I have considered food as a snack. I think I have some chips downstairs. Some chips and maybe some oh, we got these popsicles that are root beer floats. So it's like root beer pop and then there's vanilla ice cream in the middle. I like that. You know what? I think I am going to raid Oh, will you like a root beer only pop? It's good. It's good. I I didn't used to like ice cream very much, and then my partner just likes ice cream more than anything, and just slowly over time worn down my defenses. Like, no, no, why am I eating ice cream? Yeah, I remember the night that you were like, leading up to eating a freezy pop, and then just so delighted to eat a freezy pop. I was so happy for you because I was like, that is a good thing. Dian, Jan, that is something my partner does all the time because they do not like having chip powder on their fingers. You know what? Here, that is also a very good strategy. Um, I have a certain snack that I eat only with a spoon. It's like fried chickpeas that have powder on them. For some reason, I don't like putting my hand in that bag. I'll eat everything else. Don't know why it's that specific bag. Alright, so Allie is co-working. It's not that kind of powder. Surprisingly, probably not surprisingly, a very tame life. Um, yes, Allie's co-working, so it's probably loud over there. I like her streams. She does like to scream sometimes. Um, ending? Is it ending? What is this? Maybe it's quiet. It could be quiet. Ending with Allie. Thanks for coming through, everybody. And if I can type this, we'll raid Allie. Go say hi. I know Maddie is doing a co-stream with Allie next week, so that's cool. And I appreciate all of you. Thanks for the follows again. Dan, EB Force, G Bone. Next week we're gonna do more with this name generator, and if that works, then we'll start to build our bingo card generator. So thank you for Ship. Thank me for Ship. Thank you for coming to stream. Thanks for being lovely people as always. All right. Ciao.